Hi everyone, this is Vilma, and in this last video I will show you how to use some of the tools we have in GoBrunch. So starting from the first one on the left, we have a camera. When we click on that, we can see that I'm there, so I can also move it anywhere I want. I can also resize it, and let's leave it there. So that's one of the things you can use to present your classes, for example, with your students. So it's better if they see you. I think it's better to see somebody, to see your professor there instead of just seeing a screen. So that's a good thing we can use. We also have the microphone. Yeah, as I said, we can have this tool, or we can use this tool to mute participants. And then we also have this one that says screen share, and we have this option that's the most common, and the option I will show that says upload a PowerPoint. So when I click there, I can upload the presentation. So let me find my presentation for Ecuador, for GoBrunch. Once the PowerPoint is uploaded, you can use it. Now, as you can see, my presentation is there. This was a presentation I created for the recording with group C. So you can present these slides to your participants. You can just click on the arrow and then start explaining. And the good thing is that you can also make this bigger, if you want, or keep it small. You can also move it, wherever you want. So these are some of the good things GoBrunch has. And we also have the chat, so students can ask questions about the presentation you give, and that's good because they can interact with you as the professor or with other participants. And you can also solve any doubts they have by answering the questions they write on the chat. So I think these are the most useful tools we can have in a meeting using GoBrunch. So thanks, and I hope this video is useful for you.